Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer drawer rail in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new freezer drawer rail. This drawer rail is mounted on the left side of the freezer drawer. It's attached to the drawer and clips onto the outer rail along the drawer to glide in and out. If the freezer drawer won't stay in place, check and replace the freezer drawer rail if needed. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. Next, I'm going to open the freezer door. And now I'm going to pull out the drawer. As far as it goes. Now we need to open the latches on the side here. Right, as you can see, we have here a locking tab, and we have the same thing on the opposite side. And I'm going to press it down and push the rail back to free this. I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. The only difference is that I will lift up on the lever. And I'm going to push the rail back. Now I'm going to lift up on the drawer assembly in, move it out. Okay, so I removed the box from inside the drawer, put it on the ground here, and now we need to remove this rail. So we need to press up this button here. It's a safety tab. So I'm going to turn it and take it off. Now we need to remove these 4 Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to take them out. And now we can lift off the rail. This is the old freezer drawer rail next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to place a new rail on. And now I'm going to secure it with the 4 Phillips screws. Alright, next I'm going to install the outer rail. As you can see, we've got here this groove, and there's a channel in. Then I'm going to bring this side up here, like that, and we're going to push it in so the tab locks. Now I'm going to install it. Alright, now I'm going to bring that drawer in, place it down, and now we need to install these rails on both sides into the rails that attach to the side of the freezer. That goes right inside of those rails. Then we're going to push it in so those tabs will lock. And I'm going to place the box in. And I'm going to close the drawer, close the freezer, and now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.